Hello there. I'm going to bring you in this video passage planning through Baltic Sea from the Dover Strait and coming up here and passing through the Sound here, Sound pilots, and up to the rest of the area. So my vessel took a path from Netherlands to Gdansk, Poland, and back from Poland to Mediterranean Sea. So in this video I will cover passage planning from Dover to Baltic, and in my next video I will cover from here, from Baltic to outward. So basically the inbound passage to Baltic and outbound passage from Baltic, right? As you can see, there are some areas where you can see it has been demarcated in blue and green. Basically, this is ALRS digital radio volume 6. The areas that you can see in the green squares are the areas where you require a pilot. You can pass through the Sound, the Danish Strait, without a pilot or with a pilot, and I will explain later. If you click this one, the border, it takes you out, okay, and right. So this is basically Baltic Sea. So there you have to read and see what this is for the entire Baltic Sea area. Now actually we are now you can see, right? So this purple magenta is English Channel and North Sea Skagen pilotage area. Green is Baltic Sea pilotage area, right? So now our concern is from here, so we can come up to here through the Dover Strait up to Skagen, and then you have to decide whether you can go on your own or you have to hire a pilot. For this you need to check what the requirements are. So I will take here the Sound pilot Sweden, and it says Swedish Sound pilot. Okay, that's straightforward. You can just read and see. Pilotage is not compulsory but recommended in IMO resolution MSC 13876, and it's available 24 hours. Maximum draft is 7.2. This is the point that we need to know. And maximum air draft is 55 meters, right? If your vessel draws less than 7.2 meters, you are not required to take a pilot to pass through this strait, the Sound Strait, right, between Denmark and Sweden. Say your vessel draws more than 7.2, then you are required to carry a pilot, right? And I will now later on, after short briefing here, I will take you to my EGDIS and explain to you very deeply how the passage planning should be done. And now you can see inside this area there is this area demarcated in blue, right? So that is the VTS reporting instructions. Okay, now see in the Sound between Denmark and Sweden, Sound rep, you can see the diagram, right? So this is the diagram of Sound where you have to do the reportings, right? We will just quickly browse there. This is the area bound by the reporting area, and you can read that, and the sector 1, sector 2 likewise, right? Participation in Sound rep is mandatory for all vessels 300 GT and over. So basically our vessels on which we are working require to need to participate in the reporting system. The following exempt, right? No need, language should be English, right? Okay. And what the other important thing what I need to show you here is, okay, back to the video. So the other important thing what I want to emphasize here is the reporting, right? Sound rep reports must be initiated to sound VTS on channel 71 or 73. However, vessels can fulfill most of the reporting requirements of the reporting system by the use of non-verbal means such as AIS, email or internet prior to entering. So as per what they say, we can either use VHF for reporting or non-verbal, which means email typically, right? Vessels entering the sound rep operational area shall submit a report when crossing the entrance lines or on departure from a port or anchorage in the operational area, right? AIS can be used, okay. Email or internet can be used to accomplish, right? Okay. I will also explain this reporting procedure while I'm taking you through the passage on ECDIS, right? Vessel switch report. Okay, right. So basically this is what you need to know if you happen to transit this sound VTS area, okay. All right, so basically this is that. So you can if you happen to plan out a passage here, so you can you will definitely have to read this book, LRS volume 6, and find out more information. This is only a guidance for you to get a rough idea, right? So now we will move on to I have taken a printout of this, and I will when I'm explaining to you on the ECDIS, I will relate to this, and also I will explain the further procedures. All right, here we start. So basically you will come up here from the Dover Strait side, from English Channel to Dover Strait, and you have to come down from here. You have to excuse me because this area is too much cluttered with chart data, so it takes a little bit of time for the chart to refresh. So on and off I will pause until I have resumed a normal operation of ECDIS. Then I will browse you through the passage. Okay, so you will follow the general direction of the TSS and come down. Right, so keep going down. We will move out of this designated deep water area, because this is allocated for deep water, deep draft vessels. So our passage will lie out of the demarcated area. Keep coming down. Right, here is the sound. Okay, I will zoom out. Right. Just in case if your vessel draws more than 7.2, your pilot will embark here, as they say, right? You see from the books, southbound either High Helsingborg M1 light buoy, you have it, they have given the coordinates, and Malmo Roads light buoy, just in case, okay, if your vessel draws more than, if your vessel requires a pilot. Otherwise, as you come here, you need to do a VHF reporting on channel 73. Okay, as you can see here, I will see channel 73. This is sector 1 sound rep. You have to just say that you are entering the sound rep area when crossing the reporting point. Okay, right. And right, so then the rest of the passage is not much. You can there's it's all your courses will be laid down through the TSS. And right, as I told you, you initiate your verbal communication by VHF on channel 73, saying that you are entering the reporting area. And after that, as I explained to you at the beginning of my video, you have to send non-verbal reports, which means by email or SATC. So it is here in this format. Ship reporting systems and the sound between them. So now I will explain to you how you have to basically you send AMBER reports or Systram. So this is also like the same format. Okay, right. And the only thing which I need to show you here is the route information. That will be the confusing thing. If there is something to be confusing, if there is something to be confused about, so I will explain that also to you, right? So I will quickly at the same time I will take you through the reporting also. Okay. As you enter the sound rep area, when you report by channel 73 to sector 1, you have to send this report also, which includes your route information and other stuff, right? Okie dokie. So this is A, B, C. This is all straightforward, and your concern will be here on, where is it? Right, L is route information. In this table they are saying route information, a brief description of vessel's intended planned route, like this. I hope you can see this. Okay, so you have to give like this: DW, Discon, west of Discon; DE, Discon, east of Discon; VW, Ven, west of, likewise, right? Okay, where are these particulars? Discon, Ven, or whatever, right? So my passage is going like this. You can see this one is the Discon shoal, right? See, it's mentioned here. I hope you can see that it's Discon shoal. So my route lies to east of Discon. So when you give your route information, you have to mention it like this: DE, right? DE. What is DE? It is here. Discon east of, right? So first leg will be DE, Discon east of, and then you can put a slash like this, you see, L, DE, that is east of Discon. And then okay, go down, and next is Ven Island, Ven. You can see this is Ven. So I am going west of Ven. So then if you choose to go via here, then you can give your route information accordingly. But now I am going west, sorry, yeah, west of okay, sorry. So okay, so the Discan, east of Discan, and this is Ven Island. Previously I had loaded the other route which the vessel did not take, so that went out of went on west of Ven. But for you not to confuse, I'm explaining against this route because my report was east of Ven. So this is Ven Island and my route lies east of Ven. So I have to write, the first one was DE, east of Discan, and now VE, east of Ven. See, as you can see here, VE, east of Ven, right? And then you go down, that will be what, keep going down, Flintronan, where is Flintronan? I will not pause because you can see how the route goes. So this is why I'm not pausing, and take to Flintronan. Right, here is Flintronan lighthouse. You are passing Flintronan, and it does not specify which side of Flintronan. You only have to say Flintronan, right? You can see if you happen to go through Drogden, then accordingly you will mention Drogden. Now I'm going passing Flintronan, so this is why I have to mention Flintronan like this. Yeah, see, east of Discan, east of Ven, and Flintronan, and that's done. So this is how you have to plan your passage through the sound rep area, and the rest of the things is straightforward. You can follow the recommended routes or the TSS where there are TSS established, and rest of the things is not much. The most important thing was through that area. Just give me a minute. Okay, so then you are going to your final destination. From here there is nothing to worry. It's very straightforward. So basically, so you can see here, right, this particular area, see, it's almost the end of your sound rep area. You see the TSS point here, and okay, when you go out you can also report that you are out of reporting area. Okay, here the this reporting point, that is reporting line east. This one, reporting line east. This is the end of your reporting area, so you can report to sound rep on channel. This is located, this is sector 2. Sector 2 is channel 71, right? And say that you are exiting the reporting area, right? So that is that. So basically what you need to know is, if your vessel draws less than 7.2 meters, you are not required to carry a pilot to pass through the sound rep area. In case your vessel draws more than 7.2, your pilot will board somewhere here as okay, so this point 56 degrees 07.4 minutes north, 01.2 degrees 30 minutes east, as mentioned in the LRS books. Once again I will show you. You see, Sweden sound rep pilots, southbound. We are southbound, and these two positions, right? Okay, I hope this will give you a little guidance on how to carry out passage planning through this area. And my in my next video I will explain how to do your passage planning through the Great Belt, and the same reporting procedure like I showed you in this video. Belt is here. I hope this will be helpful for you. Someone will make use of it. Thank you for watching.